Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I've got a super pretty brown and smoky eye makeup tutorial for you. This matte chocolate shade looks great on all eye colors and it's super easy to do. Even if you're a beginner, you can learn this handy eyeshadow combo in just 3 minutes. So keep watching the rest of the video. And let's get started. To start, I'm using this brown eyeshadow as a base and applying it all over my eyelid with a fluffy brush. Just make sure to blend it well without any harsh lines. I know blending can be a bit boring, but if you want that amazing smoky eye makeup look, you have to take your time at this stage. Feel free to use any eyeshadow palette you like. I'll put all the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I decided to add another layer of eyeshadow to make it look darker. I also love eye makeup with warm eyeshadow colors. I think they're super versatile and usually we all have these colors in our eyeshadow palette. Also, brown eyeshadow blends more easily than black, making it a great start for beginners. Next, I'm using a darker color from this eyeshadow palette. I applied the shadow from the beginning to the end of my eyelid, and in that area I blend it upwards in a sweeping motion. If you need to deepen the color while applying, just use this technique and gradually add more eyeshadow. Blend the eyeshadow well so there are no harsh lines. If your eyeshadow doesn't turn out well on the first try, don't worry. With practice and repetition, you will improve each time. Next, I decided to use black eyeshadow for my eyeliner. For this step, you can use liquid eyeliner as well, but I wanted my eyeliner to have a smoky effect. Drawing eyeliner with eyeshadow can be a bit tricky, so use whatever you feel more comfortable with. This step might seem a bit unusual, but I usually apply the eyeshadow to my waterline using a pointed brush. You can use an eyeliner pencil at this stage, and if you have sensitive eyes, I recommend not trying this technique. I usually do it and haven't had any issues. Then with a smaller fluffy brush, I apply the same dark brown eyeshadow to my lower lash line in a sweeping motion. This smoky look is my favorite. You can use it for everyday makeup or even for special occasions. It's very simple and easy. Our eye makeup is complete. I use false eyelashes to finish the look, and if you'd like, you can also add a bit of glitter to the inner corners of your eyes. Thank you for watching this tutorial video until the end. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it if you could give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. I upload makeup tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested and want to stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.